So let's tell you all about the mastermind, Hashim Musa, who's been eliminated by our forces today. He's been wanted for many terror attacks, including the latest being the Pahalgam terror attack. He was one of the men who had gone on the rampage on April 22nd, firing at people, identifying them, asking them what their religion was, and then shooting them dead. For the last many months, our forces have been trying to track down Musa and all of the other terrorists involved in the Pahalgam attack. Finally, they tasted success today after identifying exactly where Musa was hiding, worryingly close to Srinagar. Let's tell you exactly why this is a big catch for our forces and how Musa had a role in several terror attacks and his direct link with the Pakistani army.
एक इंसान है उसने उसको गोली मार दी
यहाँ पे
उसने बोला कि ये शायद मुस्लिम नहीं है उसने उसको गोली मार दी
Over 3 months after the deadly Pahalgam terror attack, where terrorists had butchered 26 tourists after confirming their religion, India finally avenged the attacks and the sindoor of the widows. The mastermind behind the assault, Hashim Musa, has been killed near Srinagar. The killing of 3 terrorists along with Musa comes as a major victory for forces. In a major joint anti-terror operation codenamed Operation Mahadev, the Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF cornered and eliminated the 3 terrorists in the upper reaches of Harwan, Srinagar, inside the Dachigam forest. Earlier, a terror chatter had confirmed that the top Pahalgam conspirator, Hashim Musa, was indeed present at the spot. India Today was the first channel to break the news at 12:55 p.m.
All right, big news. This is from on the ground in Jammu Kashmir. We're going to Pahalgam. Suspected Pahalgam terrorists have been trapped in J&K.
Musa, the top conspirator behind the Pahalgam attack, and played a vital role in executing the strike. He was also involved in October 2024 Sonmarg tunnel strike, was a feared Lashkar commander with deep ties to terror networks. Earlier, local nomads had tipped off security forces about the presence of 3 Pakistani Lashkar terrorists. The army had been tracking a joint Lashkar-Jaish group for over 2 weeks, listening in to their terror chatter. Forces tracked the communication, ambushed and killed them when they were sleeping.
A sketch of him was released by the J&K police after the Pahalgam attack as one of the key accused, and finally today we've been told that he along with 2 others have been killed in a hideout which they had made, in fact a night camping site deep inside the forest area. Here one can clearly see the army activity, the special forces, para units going in. You also had other army units who were rushing inside. Now, the area is still under cordon. The search operation is continuing. And we've been told that there could be more in the periphery. And that's why the SOP is that the operation will continue.
This is the news the nation was waiting. I think huge success for the security forces and the J&K police.
However, the search continues for the remaining members of the terror group, believed to be scattered across the dense forest.
जिस दिन से पहलगाम का हमला हुआ 22 अप्रैल से, उस दिन से आज तक हमारे फोर्सेस जो हैं, चाहे पुलिस हो, चाहे पैरामिलिट्री हो, चाहे आर्मी हो, इनके पीछे हम लगे रहें. अगर आज इनमें से एक भी जो है एनकाउंटर में मारा गया तो अच्छी बात है.
Operation Mahadev, clashing with the day Parliament debates India's Operation Sindoor, sends a strong message: terror finds no sanctuary in India. With Mir Farid at encounter spot near Srinagar. Bureau Report, India Today.